Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I think everybody is fine. Why? Because your exams are over. First thing, then fest is coming soon. You are going to enjoy that all the 9 days, right? And also, you have to take care of your health, children. Okay, don't roam here and there in the ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷ್ ಮೂಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಓಡಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ after the FA1 examination I think it's a first class right then up to where I have stopped in the previous class children I think I have completed the a trip to the jungle okay but a trip to the jungle PDF I have not sent you children okay in the next class I am going to send PDF of these two lessons okay don't worry about it. Today I am going to start with one small poem. This poem I am not giving you for any exam children just it is related to the CD okay actually we have to do this poem when you come to the regular school okay ಇದೇನಿದೆ CD ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೇಳೋದಿದೆ ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋದಿದೆ okay see here so that reason children just I am giving you idea about this poem but I am not asking any questions from this okay shall we start the poem children take out your textbook page number 65 page number 65 na open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು once again I am going to tell you children while you are watching the videos please sit with the related textbooks and notebooks okay then only you will come to know what ma'am is teaching in the class and which subject she is taking then about which page she is explaining now like that okay page number 65 Jim and Tim okay see here children as you have seen the poems which they have given in your textbook those are related to the rhymes rhyming words okay Jim Tim andre ಒಂದೇ ಏನ pronunciation same ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ so such words we call as a rhyming words okay Jim Tim ಏನಂತೀವೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ right Jim and Tim today we will start with the poem children Jim and Tim okay Jim and Tim Jim and Tim okay little mouse Jim was eating cheese little mouse the name of the mouse is Jim okay the name of the mouse is Jim the name of the mouse is Jim little mouse Jim was eating a cheese what it was eating children cheese it was eating a cheese okay ಆ ಮೌಸ್ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಿತ್ತು ಜಿಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದು ಏನು ತಿಂತಾ ಇತ್ತು cheese it was eating okay when up crept the cat Jim the name of the cat is Tim okay the name of the cat the name of the cat is Tim okay Jim and Tim these two are rhyming words Jim Tim Jim is the name of a mouse Tim is the name of a cat okay and gave a loud sneeze ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಶೀನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು okay that Jim and Tim gave the loud sneeze okay Jim raced off with a sharp squeak even though Tim listened hard he didn't hear a crack see here that mouse is following the cat or cat is following the rat children okay but it didn't catch it ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರನ್ ಓಡಿ 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 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಕರೆ ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ okay little Jim was hiding behind a ball oops he fell over and almost hit a wall see here children little Jim ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮೌಸ್ okay where it hide children behind the ball okay ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ behind the ball. ಬಾಲ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. Oops, he fell over and almost hit a wall. Okay, ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತು ಬಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. Okay, sitting on the table, Tim gave a shriek. I see you, he shouted. They were playing hide and seek. Only this much is there, children. Okay, see what happened. ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೌಸು ಮತ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟು ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ನಾನೇನು ಮುಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಮುಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚ ಆಟ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಹೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೂ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Mouse and cat. What that mouse is named as Jim. What that cat is named as Tim. Okay, which game they were playing? Hide and seek. Okay, see here children, in this lesson they have given some rhyming words. Just I am writing all the rhyming words on the board. What you have to do? You have to write in a HW. Okay, practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now I am not wind up in the class children, just I am giving you homework children. Okay, it is a small poem. Shall I read it once again? Little mouse Jimmy was eating cheese. When up crept the cat Tim and gave a loud sneeze. Okay, say with me. Little mouse Jim was eating cheese. When up crept the cat Tim and gave a loud sneeze. Jim raced off with a sharp squeak. Even though Tim listened hard, he didn't hear a crack. Okay. Little Jim was hiding behind the ball. Oops! He fell over and almost hit a wall. Sitting on the table, Tim gave a shriek. I see you, he shouted. They were playing hide and seek. Okay. It is about the poem Jim and Tim. Okay. Shall I write the rhyming words, children? See, you have to note these rhyming words in your HW. Okay, after that I am going to tell you what you have to do. Put first poem name for first line. Put headline rhyming words. Rhyming words. Okay, rhyming words. Put headline. Make columns. First one, cheese, sneeze. Cheese, CHEESE. Cheese, sneeze, SNEEZE. Okay, sneeze. Second one, squeak, crack, SQUEECREAK. Okay, next, ball, wall, BALL, ball, WALL, wall. After that, finish session. Okay, see this three set of rhyming words they have given here children. What you have to do, you have to write these in a HW. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 23rd 10/20. ಓಕೆ, ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ 8 times or 9 times. ಚೀಸ್, ಸ್ನೀಸ್, ಬೈ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓದ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಚೀಸ್, ಸ್ನೀಸ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೆಕ್, ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್, ಬಾಲ್, ವಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್. Finish? Next children, turn that page number 66. You have to open one small exercise they have given. Let us do it. Read each sentence, mark it true or false. Okay, one sentence anna kottidare. Just now I have explained about the poem. Okay, poem anna explain ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಜಿಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಕ್. ಜಿಮ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಾ? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಚೀಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. In the textbook, whatever I am going to write on the board, children, now you have to write in a textbook. Okay, it's a A. How many are there? E are there, right? A, B, C, D, E. Tim gave a loud sneeze. Yes, Tim gave a loud sneeze. जोराಗಿ ಶೀಂತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Yes. Next, Jim hid behind a yellow ball. Look at that ball color, children. Ball na nodri ಯಾವ color ball ಇದೆ? Red ball ಇದೆ. Okay, but they told here Jim hid behind a yellow ball. It means it's a wrong. Okay, put a wrong mark. Next, look at D. Jim fell over and almost hit a wall. Yes, Jim fell over and almost hit a wall. It's a right answer, children. Next, Jim and Tim were playing hide and seek. Hide and seek ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. So, what is the answer, children? Is it a true or false? It's a true. Put a true mark. Let me write here, children. Jim was eating cake. Jim was eating cake. Next, Tim gave a loud sneeze. Tim gave a loud sneeze. Jim hid behind a. Jim hid behind a yellow ball. Okay, Jim fell over. Jim fell over and almost hit a wall. And almost hit wall. Okay. Next, Jim and Tim were. Jim and Tim were playing hide and seek. Okay, Jim and Tim were playing hide and seek. These all the questions in the I have written. I think you have understood these all. Okay, shall we rub it? Next is answer the following questions. Next is answer the following questions. Where was Jim hiding? Where was Jim hiding? Jim hid behind the red ball. Okay, Jim ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು? Ball. Okay, they have given here. Little Jim was hiding behind a ball. Okay, write that one. Jim, little Jim. Little Jim. This is second name. Little Jim hiding behind ball. Write this answer in textbook, children. Answer in a textbook lo barkondu bidri. This is A. B. What game did Tim and Jim play? Tim and Jim played hide and seek. Okay, Tim and Jim played hide and seek. Okay, these are all the question answers children. Only two question answers they have given. That first one is meanings, second one right, true or false, third one I may give you fill in the blanks. Okay, fourth one is the question answers. Write this second way. Now look at third one children. What they have given? Work with a partner, use circles, triangles and rectangle to make a team, the cat in the space below. Okay, see here children, they have given one cat that is filled with so many shapes. Shall we draw now? Okay, now add a whiskers, a tail, eyes and a mouth to your drawing. Okay, now we'll start children drawing. Shall I repeat? See next. See here children. It's a circle, right? Circle. Then this is a triangle. Okay. Next, two eyes are with a circle shape. Next, this is oval. After that, this is a straight line. This is a half circle. Next, whiskers. Okay. Next, children, this is a what it is? Oval shape, right? These are rectangle. Okay, we have to draw here this. What it is? Cat. Okay. Is it nice? You have to draw like this, children. Where you have to draw? In a textbook you have to draw. Okay. Now add a whiskers. Whiskers means mise. Okay. Next, eyes, mouth. Like this you have to draw the diagram, children. Okay. Next, look at fourth main. Fill in the details about team. Use the words in the box. Okay. Fill in the blanks ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ with options ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. Now we'll solve it. Shall I repeat? This is Tim and Cat. This is a fill in the blanks about the Tim and Cat, children. Okay. They have given here options. Milk, meow, rat, furry. Furry means hair. Okay. A. This is Tim. This is Tim, the cat. Okay. B. He is dash and fat. He is dash and fat. C. He says dash. D. He likes to drink dash. Okay. Last, children, he chases the dash. Okay. This is a Tim. Tim andre yaru? Cat. Okay. It's about the cat, children. Okay. He is a dash and fat. Furry and fat. This is a B answer. Okay. Next, he says cat hen kugutte. Meow. Right? We have to write this. Meow. Next, he likes to drink. Cat hen kudilike ishtapadutte. Milk. Okay. He chases the cat almost in tinnute. Rats. Right? Rat. See here. Furry, meow, milk, rat. These all the words came in here. Milk, meow, rat and furry. Okay, we have used those all the options and completed this fill in the blanks. Okay. Up to here, I am going to wind up the class, children. In the next class, I am going to send the PDF as well as the new lesson. Okay, then what homework I am going to given you today? Write the rhyming words given in the EHW. Okay, write this also. First one, furry, meow, mill, rat. Write the rhyming, write and learn. Write and learn. Write and learn rhyming words given in EHW. ಓಕೆ, EHW ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.